boys and girls. I'm so glad that you've joined us for some fun in the kitchen. And I have some special helpers today. I have Miss Summer.
Hi.
I have Mr. Carter.
Hi.
I have Miss Cadence.
Hi.
And I have Mr. Ben.
Hi.
And boys and girls, today we're going to be making Auntie Linda's black bean quesadillas.
I made quesadillas at my house before with my mom.
Dude, that's awesome.
And we have quesadillas too.
And you like quesadillas? Oh,
I do too.
you're gonna love these. Oh, boys and girls, you're gonna love these. And you know what's nice about these? They're really easy.
Oh.
You'll be able to remember these. But now we're gonna be using blenders and we're gonna be using electric skillet. So when you're using the kitchen tools like this, what do you have to have?
Adult.
An adult with you. Make sure that, boys and girls, that you have an adult with you. So do not do this by yourself. Okay, so I'm going to put our blenders on and put your blender on. Okay, Ben, if you'll put in, Summer, you two can put in 1/4 cup of the salsa, and Carter and Cadence, you can put in the black beans, okay? So make sure you get it full and put that in here, Ben. I'll go like this. There you go. Good job. Okay, put your black beans in. Here, how about if we do this? Ready? Help me pour it in, Cadence. Good job. Good job. Whoops, we better get it. Can you use your spoon and get them out? Oh, Ben's going to get them out. Ben, remember when something drops on the floor, we put it in the trash. Okay. All right. You got it, Carter. You want to put your black beans in? Mm-hmm. Okay. And you got your 1/4 of salsa. Good job. Put your black beans in. And you guys can put your lid on your blender. Good job, Carter.
Miss Cinda, are we going to turn them on?
And put your lid on. Wait till Miss Cinda says. Okay, you ready?
Keep your fingers out of the middle.
You can turn it on.
Do I turn it to this one?
No, turn it up high.
This one or
No,
this
up
one?
high. Up high, Carter. There you go.
One.
Turn yours on. Because you want it to blend up real nice and smooth, okay? Yeah, it is, isn't it? Can you hear us, Summer? Okay. Oh, it's almost done. Turn them off. Okay, now take your lids off.
Could I stir mine up a little?
Oh, Ben, we better not use your lid anymore. Well, that's okay. We'll just put our hand over this, okay? You know what? Just go to the kitchen sink and rinse it real fast, okay? Just run to the kitchen sink and rinse it. And Cadence, you can stir that up a little bit. Summer, can you take your spatula and stir this up real good? Okay, we just want it, because sometimes it gets little air pockets in there, and that will get the rest of the beans down there. Okay, you just go like this. Good job. Okay, put your lid on. There you go. Did you get it all? Oh, thank you. Perfect. Okay, put your lid on. You want to put your lid on? Okay.
Okay.
And then let's blend it one more time.
Okay, turn it on.
Here, Carter, let me help you. Okay, let's turn it on. Okay, let me blend yours up a little bit more. Just a minute, Ben. You want to get it nice and smooth. Yours is almost done. Okay, turn it on. Yes. Oh, there it goes. Okay, Ben. Okay, yours is done. Okay, yours is done. Yours is done. All right. Okay, now I'm going to set these over here.
Oops.
And you guys can put your plates in front of you because we're going to now put our quesadillas together, boys and girls. We're going to assemble our quesadillas. Okay, thank you, Ben. Okay. Okay, there, thank you. Okay, I'm going to give you each a tortilla. Take a tortilla. And here, Cadence, take a tortilla. Okay, get your knives. You can use a knife or a spatula. And I've got you some tofutti, better than cream cheese.
Tostuti?
Tofutti. It's a brand name of a vegan cream cheese. And boys and girls, you can use the type of cream cheese that your mommy and daddies use at your house. Okay, you want to spread, Ben? Could you spread your spread some tofutti, better than cream cheese? There you go.
Hey, Cinda, I don't want to have any missing spots.
That's right, Ben. You want to get it all, spread that vegan cream cheese. Yep, spread it all over your knife. I can't even talk today. Your knife will probably work better, Carter.
I like this.
You like that? All right. That's fine. If it works for you, you can do it.
I like butter on mine.
You do? Well, let's try this because I think you're going to love this. And while you're doing that, I'm going to heat our skillet up. So remember, nobody touch this, okay?
You'll get ouchie.
That's right. And we don't want to get burned, do we? Does it feel good if we get burned, boys and girls? No. So we have to be very careful. So make sure you always have an adult with you, okay?
Miss Cinda, are you going to put some of that oil on it?
I think I'm not going to. I think I'm going to just use a non-stick cooking spray because that will be even healthier for us. What do you think of that? And we want it to be healthy, okay? So I think I'll just do this. Whoo, Carter, your plate's traveling all over. We're going to have to chase your plate, Carter.
Over like it is.
You want me to help you?
No, I got it.
Oh, you got it. Okay. We'll spread it all over. See Ben's? Look at Ben's. There. See, Cadence? That's how you want it. Okay, Ben, you can take like a couple tablespoons and spread that around all over. You don't want a whole lot. Okay. You could
Miss
probably
Cinda.
use a fourth a cup.
I think I know how the people at Taco Bell
Make it?
fold the wraps.
Oh, but you know what? A quesadilla we don't fold. For a quesadilla,
You just like wrap it up.
No. For a quesadilla, we're going to put another tortilla on top, and then we'll cut it.
Oh.
So, oh, good, Carter. You're almost done, and so are you, Summer. Do you want me to help you now?
Sure.
Okay. How about if I use Ben's knife? How about, Ben, can I use your knife?
Sure.
And you can use your spatula, okay?
Okay.
To spread your beans. Okay, kids, Summer, you can put a fourth a cup. You guys put a fourth a cup of the bean mixture on top and spread it all out. And I'll help Cadence. Oh, Cadence, let's spread yours good. Here, I'll give you some more. There, Cadence, you can spread that out, okay? And I'll spread some for you. And we hold your tortilla with your hand so that we don't want a traveling plate, do we?
No.
Do you know what a traveling plate is? It's like this. It's traveling all over the place. We don't want a traveling plate, do we, boys and girls?
No.
No. Okay, let's get it all on. Oh, doesn't this gonna be good? Okay, Ben, now put some green chilies on all over. Sprinkle some green chilies all over it.
Miss
Oh.
Cinda, look at mine.
Now that's perfect. Now can you put a fourth a cup, Summer, you and Carter, put a fourth a cup of bean mixture on and spread it all over.
Miss
Okay.
Cinda, I like being in the kitchen.
You do. Who else likes to be in the kitchen?
Me.
Oh, I love to be in the
Miss
kitchen.
Cinda, look what I want to do.
Well, you don't have to level it off for here, Carter, but that's very good anyways.
want that stuff.
Well, you know what? You don't have to have that. Or you know what, boys and girls? If you don't like green chilies, you don't have to have green chilies. Because you're going to have quesadilla the way you like it, huh?
I like beans in mine.
Okay, let's do some beans. There, spread that all over. You can use your spatula now if you want.
You can just go like this, right, Miss Cinda?
That's right.
Miss Cinda, do I fold it up?
No, now what you're going to do is take another tortilla and put it on top. I'm going to move my recipe, okay? Because now
Are we going to fry it, Miss Cinda?
we are. Okay, Ben, let me have it right. Oh, careful. Let me have it over here. And see, look, I'm going to take my little cutter. And you know what? I'm going to fry yours first. And then I'll cut it, okay?
Great idea.
So boys and girls, you're going to spray your pan. And let's put this right. Ooh, hear it sizzle?
Uh-huh. It's burning.
And guess what? I've made some ahead of time. Oh, that's our 2-minute. Oh, you guys better hurry, but I've made some ahead of time that you guys are going to get to taste. Who wants to taste one?
Me.
There you go.
I think I need to take another for the cup.
You can. You want to taste this? You want to taste one, Carter?
This is good, Miss.
Ooh, do you
Cinda.
like it? You can dip it in the salsa too, boys and girls.
Look.
Okay, let's see. Oh, Ben, could you run in the cupboard by the kitchen sink and get me a spatula? Because I need to turn this.
Mm-hmm.
It's right there, right in the drawer, right by the sink.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Oh, what do you think? You can dip it in salsa too if you want.
Here, Miss
Thank you,
Cinda.
thank you, thank you. Okay, you think it's ready to turn? Almost. I'm going to turn this up a little bit. What do you think?
Good.
Is it yummy, yummy, yummy? Oh, right in your tummy?
Yeah.
Oh, who's it? Yummy, 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 right in your tummy?
No.
It is?
I have yummy in my tummy.
Yes? Okay, let's turn it. Whoa, look at that! Whoa!
Don't burn yourself, Cinda.
Thank you, Cadence, because I need to be careful too, don't I? Adults need to be careful just like you kids do. Boys and girls, don't these look good?
My mommy rides on the horsey when I get up.
She does? Okay, look what we're going to do now. We're going to let it, almost done, okay? And then we're going to cut it. Oh, we're almost out of time. That's our kitchen timer. I'll cut it, and then you guys can try a hot one. Look at this. Look at Miss Cinda's doing.
Miss Cinda, we're all done for the day. We don't have any
Oh,
more time.
boys and girls, remember, anytime you can be in the kitchen, it's fun.